हैप्पी बर्थडे सुविन की मम्मी.
हैप्पी बर्थडे वामिका.
God bless you and may all your dreams come true.
Wish you a great year ahead, full of joy and energy. Take care. Once again, happy birthday. Cheers. Bye.
Wishes for the day and a year to come. Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Hey, hi Swati.
Hi.
So we became friends during COVID, which was one of the most depressing phases for everyone, and you made it a bit fun for me. So thank you for that.
And thank you for always being there for us, Swati.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day.
Hi Swati, wish you a very very happy 30+1 birthday. I really miss our JK Shah days. How's the little one doing? We should meet once एक बार जब तू कल्याण जाएगी और मैं वहाँ डोंबिवली आऊँगी तो please let's meet. Wish you a very very happy birthday Swati.
Wish you a very happy 31st birthday, Didi. Lots of love, laughter, and crazy life ahead. Wish you a very happy birthday once again. Lots of love.
हमारी पार्टी पेंडिंग है.
प्यारी भाॼाई मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. मुंहिंजे हिसाब सां वामिका माना वी वाइब्रेंट, ए एडोरेबल, एम मोटिवेटिंग, आई इंस्पायरिंग, के काइंड ऐं अमेज़िंग सां ए. सो भॻवान तोखे हमेशह ख़ुशि रखे विथ गुड हेल्थ, वेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस.
Happy birthday, Vamika.
Happy birthday, Vamika. Wishing you lots of happiness, love, and good vibes today and always. Enjoy your day.
Hi Swati, happy birthday. From the day we became friends, you have been the most genuine person that I know. And now seeing you become a mom makes me admire you even more. I really hope this year brings you lots of love, laughter, memories with your little one and with us as well. And for sure, a lot of sleep. You need it, babe. Happy birthday once again. Hope to see you soon. Take care.
Happy 30th birthday, Mami. Wish for a good health and enjoy your day.
Hi Swati Di, a very happy birthday to you. Growing up, you were the elder sister that I never had, and over the years, we have had an amazing bond that I truly cherish. Trust me when I say this, you're the strongest person that I know, and I really wish nothing but the best for you and lots of happiness coming ahead of you. Love you.
Hi Swati, happy first birthday as a mom. Hope you're enjoying it. Have the biggest piece of cake. Can't wait to meet you and so and love you.
Hi Mami, many happy returns of the day. Wish you good health and all the happiness you desire.
जेके जी घरवारी सुविन जी मम्मी ऐं असांजी सिकी लधी नूंहं तोखे 31st जनमॾींहं जूं लख लख करोड़ वाधायूं. तुंहिंजे अचण सां असांजे घर में ख़ुशियूं जो वाधारो थियो आहे ऐं असांजी इहा ई आसीस आहे त तुंहिंजियूं सभु ख़ुशियूं पूरियूं थियनि ऐं पंहिंजे जीवन में तोखे जेकी बि इच्छाऊं हुजनि सभु पूरियूं थियनि. ख़ुशि रही, हमेशह ख़ुशि रही.
Hello, wish you a very happy birthday Swati Di. Suvi has got the best mom out there, the strongest of all. Let's plan a trip to London soon to my very first salsa dance partner. We have come a long way and you are the best elder sister anybody could ask for. Bye, see you soon.
चिंकी बेटा आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई, लख लख वाधायूं.
Happy birthday Chinky beta. Love you beta. हमेशा खुश रहो. God bless you.
Swati, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Suven also. And bro, आना अभी कल्याण स्लीप ओवर के लिए जाना है यार. कितना प्लान करेंगे.
Wish you a very happy birthday Swati and तू हमेशा 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 खुश रहे.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Vami. Keep smiling, stay blessed. You won. Mommy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. Heart for you.
हाय वामी मामी. हुट्टू हब्बडा शुभाशयगळू. तुम्हाला जन्मदिवस की खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. तुमच्या वाढदिवस ते आम्ही पार्टी करतोय आणि जेली खातोय. हॅव अ हॅपी बर्थडे.
Hi Swati Di, happy birthday. I remember when I came to Oshadhara and I was just like a little kid and I used to be scared. आपसे मैं डरती थी और आप थे भी strict. But today when I look at us, we can literally talk about anything and everything. Hours would go by और हमारी बातें खत्म नहीं होगी. And I'm so glad that we developed that bond. And in between the whole transition from being scared of you to developing or to finding that comfort zone where I can talk to you about anything, everything, and even just rant, gossip, I realized that you were not just an elder sister to Anshu but to all of us. Thank you for providing that space for every one of us, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Vamika. So we haven't taken a shower or combed our hair.
Talk about yourself. I have
Right.
taken a shower.
But still, we want to wish you the happiest of the birthday and a splendid year. Hope you guys finally go to Japan.
It happens this year,
Right.
Jackie.
And take us along with you. And we use Jackie's friend to book us. Japan.
Mata! Have a great year ahead. A lovely and healthy year ahead.
Absolutely. And we miss you guys. We hope to see you guys soon.
Bye. Happy birthday.
Bye, Chotu.
Hi Swati, wish you a very happy birthday. You have been a great friend throughout my school days, our school days, and continue to do so. However, back then we did not value each other's presence much in each other's life. Now when life has happened, I realize how important it is to have one and only friend who might be far away but yet be there. Also this year, with all the loved ones you have by your side, is a beautiful addition to your life, and that's like more exciting. So enjoy your day. Take care. We'll see you soon.
हैप्पी बर्थडे चिंकी दी एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे सविन. मैं कह रहा हूँ आ जाओ पार्टी देने के लिए आप यहाँ पे दिल्ली. हम चलते हैं मसूरी, फिर से सेम ट्रिप करते हैं. फिर से इस बार जैकी जो भी होंगे, आप, मैं, दीप्ति, सविन, सब मज़े करेंगे. मसूरी चल के आपके बर्थडे की पार्टी करते हैं. और यस, एन्जॉय योर डे.
Happy birthday, Sovinki mommy.
Happy birthday, Swati.
Hi Didi, happy 31st birthday. I think the biggest blessing is to have a sister in your life, and I have one, and I have the best one. I'm really lucky to have you. I know that we fight a lot, we argue a lot, but still in the end you love me. You protect me always from all the bad things, all the bad people, and I'm really grateful for that, and I will be grateful for that for my life, for my whole life. Thank you so much for all the times that you've been there for me. I love you for that, and I'm super grateful for that. I think you're the strongest sister out there. You're the strongest person. I don't think I know anyone who's stronger than you. Happy 31st birthday again. Have lots of fun. Bye.
Happy birthday, Vami. Happy 30th plus birthday. I wanna just say I love you a lot. I love how the way you take care of everyone around you, and I just get inspired always how you find happiness in the little things around us. I just hope you like this surprise, and I just wanna say one thing, that like we are blessed to have Suvin. Suvin is blessed to have a mom like you. He is gonna love you the most, so don't worry about it at all. I can see it, I can feel it. He's just gonna realize it, and and happy birthday once again.
अरे वो खुल गया क्या? अरे